So today's deal is On Guard. I purchased this little beautiful bottle. As you can see, mine is like legit empty, just to go to show how much we use it. And you're gonna get the On Guard foaming hand soap, which has this amazing oil in it, plus 2 of the pumps to go with it. So with that, it's so awesome. I actually have the pumps back an hour away at our place that we're staying for the summer because I travel with it. So that's how useful the soap is. We bring it with us on vacation and when we're traveling around, just to have this non-toxic, eco-friendly, just better for you soap. So I'm gonna go over ways to use this because really today's focus is on immune support, and I love it because even with seasonal transitions, our kids going back to school, or even just catching some funky cough that someone got, on the airplane, we will go to this oil for it. So like I said, this is such a staple in my home that I just would never want to be without this. So today's BOGO is so handy. So if you do BOGO today, make sure you add 5 to your cart if you want to stock up, and then you'll get 5 of the hand soaps for free, which technically means 10 of the hand pumps. So you will have all your bathrooms and sinks and areas covered. Okay, so On Guard, it is the protective blend. I also like to call it the immune boosting blend because really that's what it does. So it just has beautiful oils in it. So it's a blend of oils to come together and really help just kind of bump up your immune system. So my top uses for this oil, first and foremost, would be to, you can either dilute it down or just put it straight on the bottoms of the feet. And this is very effective before bedtime. So especially if you are going through a transition. So I'm going to use school as an example because we all know that when kids go back to school, that's when they are flooded with germs, and we want to help protect them as much as we can, and us, because the germs get into our home too. So being proactive and putting On Guard on the bottoms of the feet a couple weeks before school starts, just to help get their system that much more prepped for it. So, or if you feel something coming on bottoms of the feet, it is my default for this oil. And I mean, even if you just implement that alone, it is so worth getting this oil, okay? So it's really gonna help support your body through anything funky that's working through it. Also, you can, if you like to oil pull, so Ayurvedic tradition of swishing something like coconut oil in your mouth, I love adding a drop of On Guard to that. Or, as you guys have learned, I am huge into green cleaning. So green cleaning is kind of what brought me to essential oils in the first place. And I should note that my shirt says I have an oil for that, and today it is immune support. So green cleaning with this oil is amazing because it's so simple. So guys, you can make your own cleaner with as little as 2 ingredients. And I say 2, but it really is 1 because one of the ingredients is water. So you really only need this oil, a spray bottle. I would suggest getting like a sparkling water and either drinking it, dumping it, whatever, just to have a glass bottle, and then popping on just a spray head from the dollar store, Target, whatever. And then you would just add about 20 to 30 drops of On Guard, top with water. You're gonna shake it, and that's gonna be your new all-purpose cleaner. I promise you that's what I use to clean my house. So any surface, any countertop, even around sinks and that, is just On Guard and water as my all natural, no chemical green cleaner. It's also great if you have like an apple and you eat it, obviously, but you can cut it up and then soak it in some water with a drop of On Guard, and then you're not only gonna get the cleansing benefits as you eat the apple, but your apple is gonna be infused with wild orange and clove and cinnamon. It's gonna taste great. So it's really good for kids that way too. And you can take this internally. So if you do feel a tickle in your throat, you could even gargle with it in water. So what I like to do is add a drop to a cup, swish it around in my mouth and spit it out, or you can swallow it depending on your taste preference for this. Or if you want to take an empty veggie capsule, add a few drops of On Guard. You can add other powerhouse oils to create like an immune booster or a flu bomb kind of blend. You can do On Guard, lemon, melaleuca or tea tree, and I'm trying to think of what else. I will post the recipe for this below, but you could add a couple drops of that to an empty veg cap and take that internally if you are really feeling like your immune system needs a good bump up. So as you can see, a lot of ways to use this to support your immune system. I am missing some, but these are my top uses for it. I also like to make an immune booster roller blend with it by having On Guard, frankincense, arbovitae, and copaiba in it. But if that is too long of a list for you, even just sticking with On Guard and frankincense, which comes in your top 10 kit that you probably got started with or you're looking to get started with. So it's super easy. You do about 10 to 15 drops each in a 10 milliliter roller bottle, and you top with fractionated coconut oil, and then it's easy to apply. So we have that roller blend in my daughter's room. She knows before bed to roll it on the bottoms of the feet, rub them together, and then hops into bed, and then she's getting the immune boost, right? Okay, so that's On Guard oil. I quickly want to tell you about some uses for the soap, which again, I don't have here, but just picture a big, beautiful bottle that says On Guard hand soap, and then 2 foaming hand pumps is what you would get for free today. Because like I said, it is a great one to travel with. So if you are flying somewhere and you are going to check a bag, you can pop it in there because you can lock the top of the pump, and then you can have your own natural soap while you travel. So you don't have to worry about, antibacterial, toxic chemical soaps as you go. It's really easy. I find that it's so effective. We've brought it to Costa Rica with us on the road as we, travel from Florida up to Canada. It's just what I do to just have that little preventative and proactive measure in our travels. But what I like to do too is I keep a foaming hand soap in my kitchen by the sink. So sometimes when I'm trying to clean something quickly, I'll just use a pump of the hand soap instead of regular dish soap. It works totally fine. If you want to soak some berries or some fruit that you just picked, so I have some raspberries left over from last night, you could do a pump of the hand soap in there because again, it's all natural. So it's gonna go to work just cleansing your fruit and veggies off. So you can do that instead. And even just cleaning, say a water bottle. So if I am quickly on the go and I want to just rinse my water bottle out, I will put a pump of the hand soap in, shake it up, and then rinse it out that way. So it goes beyond just being used as a hand soap, but again, that's the primary use, and it is with this On Guard oil in it. So it's gonna smell like this, and it's beautiful. I mean, you could even add a drop of another essential oil to your hand soap if you want kind of a different scent or, to complement the On Guard. But yeah, so there's no limits really with how you can use even the oils and the oil products. And I really hope that you guys take part of today's BOGO. If you are looking to get started or you are a part of my Essential Glow Oil Tribe, I actually have a giveaway today for you guys too, and it's an On Guard infused package. So as long as you BOGO, make sure you go to our VIP group. If you don't know what that is or you don't know how to get started, I will have the links posted. And then you would go to our VIP group and just say that you BOGO today and you're gonna get entered for today's draw, because I wanna end BOGO week off with a bang, because this week is very effective for helping you get started with oils or get more oils in your home for a low cost. So I wanted to do that for you because, like I said, sharing is caring. So let me know if you have any questions. Hope this was helpful. Again, you can get up to 5 of these today by adding 5 On Guard to your cart, and then you're gonna get 5 of the On Guard hand soap added to your order for free by doTERRA. How awesome is that? So post any comments or questions you have about this, and I really hope you guys have a great Friday and a great rest of your weekend. Talk to you later.